Some people would say you are lonely, you weird, you lazy, you crazy. Those people are naysayers. Those people want to use those same things on themselves. Tell themselves those things combined. I'm out in nature, guys, and it's a beautiful day. The birds are in the water, and people walking about their business. And the animals, there are some iguanas and stuff out there on the street, on the ground as well. So we are having a cosmic day. Yes, we're having a cosmic day today, all of us. When we're in sync and infused in nature, and we and nature becomes one. Look at nature, guys. Yes, that's nature. I'm grateful for this opportunity to be able to come and lay down here. This is a place that I like every day. I wouldn't mind coming here every day. So I love this place. So it's good to have these kind of, I'm grateful for it. That's what I'm saying. If you have these things in your area, guys, like a park, sometimes you can just come out of the house, carry one blanket or one towel, and go lay down in the grass on a tree somewhere. And just go think away from the house and the chaos. Not thinking about nothing behind. Just carry your body, go there, and yourself, go there, under the tree, lay down on the blanket with the towel or whatever you want to carry to lay down on. You're not going to go sleep. No, well, you can't sleep, but after you mingle with yourself, because you're not sleep, you're going to go sleep. You sleep by yourself too much. Sleeping is okay too, because you're going to sleep later. But you're going to get in touch with yourself when you're out there by yourself, lying in the grass there. Think about some things about yourself. Leave the kids. That's why you left the house. Because you want to be by yourself, to think about some things for you. That's your you time. You hear people talk about me time. That's what me time is supposed to be. When you become intimate, you hear they talk about intimacy. Yes, those are the moments I'm talking about. When you get in touch with yourself and you tune in. Yes, guys, 2024 is around the corner. And I'm here ready like, I know something is coming. I don't know, good or bad or ugly. But I'm ready. Are you ready, guys? Peace and love.